speak up.
Calm your bells down, Oleg, not my station. Where's Caroline?
Would it make you jealous if I said she was back here with me?
Jealous? No. Pissed, probably, because we're busy and it would take me all that time to get the duct tape off her mouth and hands. No, wait. If you're looking for one of your dwarves, he's out there holding the mic.
Look, my bite is off. See, I did the bite test. The number 7 incisor is crossing over number 9.
Hold up. You know the names of your teeth?
Don't you?
I don't even know the name of my father.
Ow, I just bit my tongue. Ah, number 12 just joined the party.
I'd stop doing that right now.